Got another package, and I know exactly what it is. Alright, now before we do that, I just wanted to say, yes, I know, I've been gone for a decent amount of time, not super long, but a decent amount of time, and that's because of this. Now, a few months ago, I was getting ready to play, like Gorilla Tag or something. I was turning on my Quest, but then the tracking just wasn't working at all. Like, just couldn't tell how far away some stuff was. So I contacted Oculus. They said, oh yeah, do this. Didn't work. So eventually they said, okay, we're gonna need to replace it, but it's gonna take a few months before we can get your replacement. Or no, they just said it'd take a bit to get your replacement. It took 3 months. Like, I know they're low on stock, but like, this isn't even new. I'm pretty sure this is refurbished. Whatever. I'm not complaining because their service was impeccable. It was awesome. It's just 3 months. It's a long time not playing. How the hell do I open? This is like carving a pumpkin. I'm gonna kill myself. There's probably a way easier way to open this. I'm way safer. Why is the box so big for such a tiny? Ugh. Just gimme. Gimme! Eddie, shut up! Yeah, it's refurbished. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Got it. Is there anything in here? No, why is it so big for that little of a packet? Slide it out. Right? It's not coming out. Why? Come out! Oh my god. Yo! Okay, we're gonna have to remove this white, because this is a knot. I hate this. Come on. Don't talk to me. I'm just really dumb, alright? Don't talk to me. Yeah. Teddy, shut up. When did they start doing this? I need this. I don't want to have to break this. Just give me my quest, please. Yo, go! Yeah, recover? Actually, no, before we do that, I feel like I need to do something. I'm gonna get this set up and hopefully the problem's fixed. Yeah, okay, so it is working perfectly fine. Now, I don't think it's applied yet, but there is 120 Hz mode, which is not a thing when I Let's Play, which is sick. I just gotta download all my games again, which is gonna really suck. Just to get all my mods for Beat Saber again, which is really gonna suck. But yeah, I'm back. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the left to see my most recent video. On the right to see the video that you do things you will enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you forward. Bye bye.